It's Sunday, March 7th, 2019. Bitcoin appears to be on orbit trajectory, and when it tops out, we'll see if the RSI will tell us how far prices are just about to go. This is the 24 hours of Bitcoin. You can pause the video to read our disclaimer or click on the link down in the description below. When we take a look at our four main markets, we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Stellar, all of them versus USDT on Binance right now. The thing that grabs my eye most in these charts is the volume pattern. Every time prices are going up, we see a big surge of volume. And this started back in mid-February for all of these markets, where we can see in mid-February a surge of volume and prices are going up. A surge of volume, prices are going up. And as prices are coming down, we see volume quietens off. As prices are taking off, we see volume picks up again. That's very bullish. Over the last couple episodes, we've been watching the relative strength index, and we've been pointing out divergences here in the 1 hour RSI. And then if we go to the 4 hour bar, we are seeing again that prices were showing strength, but the RSI was pulling back. And this is kind of a bearish divergence that may indicate that prices are running out of steam. However, when we're starting to zoom out more and take a look at what's going on with the RSI over a longer period of time, let's zoom out to the daily and see how overbought this range is, and then pull the prices back to when we were this overbought in the past. We can see that it was during the uptrend we were overbought quite a few times here. So let's grab this spot in the chart and go back and take a look and see what was going on during this time. Throughout this time, we can see that as Bitcoin was surging up and surging up and surging up, each time it did a big surge up, we hit this kind of overbought territory in the RSI. But it didn't just come up once, it came up more than one time and let us know that prices were fading off. So we can go into this closer and we can really see the divergence where prices have made a second high, but the RSI stayed flat. Here, we had a second high where the RSI topped out twice. So when we move this chart back and we go further back to these prices here again, what we're looking at is Bitcoin prices going up, but the RSI remaining flat at these crazy overbought areas. So that makes me go back to the present time and believe that there is going to be a little bit more to the upside before we're getting a significant change in the RSI here that's going to tell us that prices are going to be coming back. So when we zoom back into the current prices, I expect it to see the RSI pick back up again as prices are breaking higher. And then the other things we're looking at are the on-balance volume on a daily basis. We take a look at the on-balance volume to see what's going on with the sale of the volume. So if it's more selling, we'll be going red. If it's more buying volume, it goes to the green positive. And we're seeing a lot of green positive here as this is edging up to the top of the breakout pattern. And then if we go to the MACD indicator, I'm looking at the 4 hour bar right now, and this is an important one. I'm waiting for this to cross over to really confirm that prices are breaking out. It should happen at the same time. This crossover should happen as prices are breaking out to confirm that. So if I zoom into the 1 hour bar, we can see that the crossover has already happened and it's starting to trickle to a positive histogram here. This should be even stronger just before the 4 hour MACD indicator crosses over. So those are the things I'm looking at right now. If they fail, of course, when you are trading, you've always got to look both ways. So if they fail, we do have a very nice clear top formation shaping up here. 1, 2, 3 top formation. If these go to a negative histogram, if we're seeing this go to a negative on balance volume on the short term, if we're starting to see the RSI really slip, then I'm expecting that prices will be coming back. But from this point on, I am really watching for them to be breaking out further and then taking a look at the rest of the altcoins to see how they are being affected by that. Are they going up along with Bitcoin, or are they being pushed back down? You can follow along with our other channel to find out more about what's going on with the cryptocurrencies. And there's a link to that down in the description down below. And that wraps it up for our view of Bitcoin prices today. So we got a snapshot of our RSI, on balance volume, MACD indicators, and a couple ideas of what to watch for. Good luck in all of your Bitcoin trading.